Hi, everybody. So this week, you're going to be doing several different things. First of all, you're going to be taking your midterm, and don't panic. The midterm is open book, open note, not timed, so you can open it whenever and do it and come back to it later. If you do that, you need to make sure you're saving it along the way. Don't hit the submit button until you're ready to submit it. But it's open book, open note. uh, I use the test as a teaching tool. If it takes making you open the book again, or hopefully not for the first time, but if the midterm makes you look for more information again or reread things again, then so be it. I'm all for using the test as a teaching tool. I don't use it to try to trick you out of answers. There are no trick answers. Don't overthink it. It is straight out of the book. It's 50 questions, true, false, and you'll be taking it right on Blackboard. And then as soon as you hit the submit button, it submits. So please don't hit the submit button until you're sure you're ready to turn it in. But other than that, it's not timed, and you can do it in multiple sittings, and it is open book, open note. It is due Wednesday at 9 a.m. Okay, so then your assignments for this week, you are going to spend some time watching videos, and I would suggest that you take some time, not just try to do it all in one sitting, because it teaches you about the tools that we're going to go into, which are called the heart tools, that are not just now about reducing your fear response, they're about actively cultivating your calm and connection response, because remember, the drive that you're most in is the drive that dominates your life. So you will be spending a fair amount of time this week watching some videos. In lieu of that, you're not going to be spending any time reading. So you will be watching the videos, and then you are going to be, there are two videos, they're on the same thing, but the second one gets a little bit deeper into practice. And the first one kind of recaps where we've been so far, and then kind of starts to introduce you to the heart tools. And then the second video gets deeper into the heart tools. Then from those videos, you are going to be writing your reflection. And I gave you several questions to address. I don't want you to address them verbatim. In other words, it's not like you're just going to address each question, but I want the questions to lead your thinking and really include what you learned through those videos. So I know that you watch those videos. In those videos, it introduces a tool called Heart in the Moment. And it, first of all, it tells you what all the heart tools are about, but then also we're going to start a series of those tools. Heart in the Moment is a tool that you can do right in the moment, just like Power of Pause or Present Moment Awareness, but it also asks you for a shift in your emotional state, and those are all explained through. After you listen to the explanation, I want you to, there's a couple little exercises that you will do that will help you through how to do that tool, and then I want you to implement the tool. It's heavy on the video because you're not being asked to do any reading, and it's really important to pay attention to those videos. Don't just skim through them, or don't just think you can skip over them, because the information that's included in the videos, number one, is the foundation for the rest of what we're doing with the heart tools. You'll need that foundation. And number two, that's all what you're writing your reflection about, is the information that you learned in the video. Okay, so have a good week, and see you next time around.